Types of body scrubs are classified based on the ingredients. A few common ones are sugar scrubs. These scrubs contain sugar crystals that exfoliate your skin. Salt scrubs, made of salt crystals. These slough away dead cells with great efficiency. Coffee scrubs, with coffee as its main ingredient. This is a great option to remove tan. Essential oil-based scrubs that contain essential oils can help you relax. Herbal scrubs. These gentle plant-based scrubs are filled with the natural goodness of ingredients derived from plants. Scrubs from nuts, grains, and seeds. Scrubs are also made from nuts like walnuts and peanuts, which are excellent exfoliatants. There are also oatmeal scrubs and scrubs made from you relax. Great charcoal body scrub. These products have charcoal as an active ingredient. Charcoal is known for its deep cleansing properties and easily helps absorb oil and dirt from fibers of the skin. Ins, fiber and seeds.